Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am just doing a quick get ready with me. I haven't done a Boxycharm video in a long time, and I forgot I actually had it this month. What month is this? I guess this is June. I feel like I've had this forever, but it must be June. It doesn't say anywhere, but I'll look it up. And yeah, so I figured let me just use some of the products today. And let's see, we got, you know what, I'm going to use them as I go along. So, Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. No, it's Poreblem, like a pore. Okay, so this is like, I guess, a primer infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. I'm doing the sunlight again today, so if it's a little too bright, apologies. This is like a very clear liquid primer. I've never had a primer like that. Feels good, it's not sticky. Okay. Okay, so I don't have a foundation, so I'm just gonna do my foundation quickly. I mean, I don't have foundation with Boxycharm. So I'll just do my own quickly. Okay, so we are ready to go in with this Tarte High Performance Neutrals, and I thought I had gotten it already. I'm like, they gave this to me already, but the one they gave me were shimmers. These are like really pretty neutrals. Again, the one they gave me last time was all shimmers, and I noticed this has got some mattes in it, which is what I like, because I gave the shimmer one to my daughter because I don't need a palette full of shimmers. So this one I think I'm gonna keep. And we'll try it out right now. So, there are names on them? There are. Okay, so, hope you could see, doing different lighting again today. Daylighting. So, I'll go in with this natural one, which is crystallized, if I'm getting this right. I'm going to use the mirror. It's closer. It's such a pretty, like, it comes in such a pretty thing. Because I'm saying thing because I can't think of the right word. Compartment, compact, palette. Comes in a pretty palette. And all I really ever wear are neutrals, to be quite honest. Okay, still using this, by the way. I love this brush cleaner from Sephora. Okay, now I'm gonna go into I can't. Daybreak, which is this tan color right here. I might have to go out for a couple drinks after work. I don't want to, but I don't want to like be like the boring person, so I want my makeup to last a little extra today. So I use you know, all the better stuff. Normally for work, I'll just put like some BB cream on. But again, I want it to last, so. Just doing a typical neutral look. And now, actually, let me put a little shimmer, but I'm gonna go in with this shimmer here. That is earthy. Not as bright as the other one, which I would normally use, which is this one. That's what I would normally go into, but as the name says, this is a little more earthy. And I'm glad I made that choice because I like it. Okay, Now I'm going to deepen the ends up and go in with Explore, which is this darker brown here. These colors are very pigmented, really pretty, blending perfectly. And again, this is a $36 palette, so I'm getting it all of this stuff for the price of, I don't even remember what I paid, 20 something. I'll post it below, but I paid like $20. Why am I doing that? No, 25 maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. It's so bad. But it's cheap when you get full size products like this. Can't go wrong. Even if some months I'm like, it's okay, because overall, I'm still getting my money's worth. This is very pretty, very neutral. Really like it, actually. I was going to go in with the pinks here, but I think I like this better, so I'm going to stick to it, and we're not going to go crazy and overdo it like I always do, because I want to try every single color. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do one simple look, because I really like the way this looks. I'm going to go back in, in case I went over a little, and blend it with the darker color, that shimmer. Okay. I'm done. I'm just going to go underneath. Okay, actually let me go quickly in to the dark brown again, just to do, kind of just go where my eyelash line is. I'm not putting like a thick thing on. You can hardly even see I did anything. But like, I don't know. I know it's there and I like it. It's almost like what people with darker hair naturally have, if that makes sense. Like darker eyelashes kind of naturally have like a little look. I don't have that because I have light eyelashes. Okay, going back in with that Explore color. Okay, I think I'm done. Pretty, pretty palette. Very pretty. I think this one's going to be staying on my counter. Let me get my lashes on and we'll be right back to check out the rest of what's in my Boxycharm. Okay, this looks really pretty. It's very neutral looking, which I love, especially for the summer. And okay, let's get into it. So I have a lip liner, Dirty Little Secret, and this is in Rosy Posy. Now, I was looking at this last night, and I don't know if you can see it. It's almost like too bright here, but it's, oh, actually it doesn't look, I just lied to myself. I put it on my hand. How do I do this? I don't know, like it's one of those, oh, actually it is going on. So we're gonna minus all that. Okay, this is probably a little more red than I want, but it can always come off, so let's see. It's not as creamy as pencils that I normally like. But those pencils don't even show up. This is actually showing up a little. It's kind of pinky, so that's fine. Like that pink neutral look, maybe. And then I got, from Dominique Cosmetics, a lemonade lip gloss. So let's see what it says here. Pretty color. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm. I hope it's non-sticky because I hate sticky like glosses. Ugh, I hate sticky glosses. Like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. Okay, I like that. Let's see. It's kind of sheer, but it's probably more pink. I actually like it, but I don't know what made me think of this, and I have to really stop thinking of doing this with all my makeup. But when I put it on, the first thing I thought was my youngest daughter would like this a lot because she likes that sheer but a touch of color. Actually, I think this looks really good with the whole look, right? Doesn't it look pretty? Oh, you know what I did forget? Hold on. This was in my bathroom. I had to go get it. It is Skin & Company Roma Whipped Cleansing Cream. Let's see what it says about that. And I'm reading off the card that the Boxycharm gives you. It gives you a little description. It tells you how much the prices are, which I'll go over in a second. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. Banish dull skin with Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup and impurities while hydrating dry, sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil. This gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin resilience and tone. Oh, I'm out of breath because I ran to get this. This cleanser is formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. I used this last night because I wanted to see if it really removes makeup. It definitely did remove. I was surprised that it removed as much as it did, as well as it did. But then when I went in with my pads after, there was still some residue, which I don't get from my other cleansers, but it's okay. It's still good. Okay, so we'll go through prices. The Tarte that I already put away. The Tarte was $36. The primer for your pores was $23. Lip gloss $17. Facial cleanser $25. And the lip liner $15. And honestly, I don't know if I would pay those prices if I was buying them alone. But it worked out. I'm going to bring this gloss with me today. It's not sticky at all. It actually does feel good. I think I'm going to have to look at actually other colors in this because I definitely love the way it feels and the formula. And I like the way it looks. It looks pretty. Okay, so let me finish getting ready. And I'll be right back. Okay, this is almost like too bright in here, right? Am I like washed out? But makeup is done, hair is done, and I really like the way that this eyeshadow looks. I love the lipstick. What else did I use? The lip liner, the pore primer. I don't know. Like, can I tell? I'll see at the end of the day, I guess. What else I get? The facial cleanser. Yeah, it was a good box this month. So I definitely like it. I forgot to put eyeliner on, and I like eyeliner, so I tried to go in there and shimmy a little eyeliner on. I don't know if you can even tell, but you really don't need it. I don't know. Like, I didn't notice that I didn't have it until I realized I didn't put it on. But anyway, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not, and you should really look into Boxycharm. It's so worth it. This is not sponsored, but it's so worth it. It's like in the 20s, $20 or something to get all these items and full size, not just little sample sizes. Very worth it, and like big names. So I'll never stop my Boxycharm delivery. Okay, so until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and until next time, have a great day.